z upon c the whole square equals to, see this, everything will be squared, sec square theta cos square phi plus sec square theta sin square phi minus tan square phi. Yeah, it should be tan square theta. Okay, so sec square theta into what's bracket, sec square theta comes common, cos square phi plus sin square phi minus this tan square theta as it is. So it becomes sec square theta into, this is 1 minus tan square theta, right? Sec square theta minus tan square theta, but that, what is that? That is 1. Why? See these identities, 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. Okay, so sec square theta minus 1 will be tan square theta. So the required answer is 1. Okay, next, same, fill in the blanks. If cos a plus cos square a equals to 1, then sin square a plus sin raised to 4a equals to what? See here, cos a plus cos square a equals to 1. Okay, therefore cos a equals to, take cos square a on the other side, 1 minus cos square a. Therefore cos a equals to sin square a, right? Now what we want, what's our target? Sin square a and sin raised to 4a. Therefore cos square a equals to sin raised to 4a, right? Okay, so let's move on. Sin square a, look at what's given in the question. Sin square a plus sin raised to 4a equals to, now what is sin square a? We have just got it, cos a. So cos a plus sin raised to 4a, cos square a, right? But what is cos a plus cos square a? It's given that it's 1. Therefore sin square a plus sin raised to 4a equals to 1. That's what the answer is. Next, if cosec a minus cosec theta minus sin theta equals to L, sec theta minus cos theta equals to M, then L square M square into bracket L square plus M. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yoga Guru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.